Question number 156. Which of the following regions of brain is incorrectly paired with its function? And the very first match given is thalamus, and the match is relay center in cerebral cortex. And as it is a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question, because thalamus as a major coordinating center for sensory and motor signaling, so considered as relay center in cerebral cortex. The next match is corpus callosum, and the match is tract of muscle fibers which connect one cerebral hemisphere to another. And as it is an incorrect match, so this is a correct answer to our question, because corpus callosum is a tract of nerve fiber and not muscle fibers which connect one cerebral hemisphere to another. So it is a tract of nerve fibers. The next match given is hypothalamus, and the match is thermostat of the body. And as it is also a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question, because hypothalamus contains center which regulates the body temperature, and so it is considered as thermostat of the body. The last match is cerebral aqueduct, and the match is connects third ventricle to the fourth ventricle. And as it is also a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question, because cerebral aqueduct connects third ventricle to fourth ventricle, and the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 157. As compared to sympathetic system, stimulation from parasympathetic system causes, and the very first option is increase in heart rate and cardiac output. And this is an incorrect option, because sympathetic system increases heart rate and cardiac output. On the contrary, stimulation from parasympathetic system decreases heart rate and cardiac output. The next statement is decrease in duration of cardiac cycle and increase in cardiac output. And this is also an incorrect option, because parasympathetic system decreases cardiac output. The next statement is decrease in speed of conduction of action potential across heart musculature and in heart rate. And as it is a correct option, so this is a correct answer to our question, because stimulation from parasympathetic system decreases the speed of conduction of action potential across heart musculature, decreases the heart rate, and increases the duration of cardiac cycle. And it also causes decrease in heart rate. The last option is increase in stroke volume and cardiac output, and this is an incorrect option, because sympathetic system increases the cardiac output. On the contrary, parasympathetic system decreases cardiac output. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 158. Select the set of animals which are homeotherms, and homeotherms are which can maintain their internal body temperatures, and they include birds and mammals. On the other hand, fishes, amphibians and reptiles, they are poikilotherms. Fishes, amphibians, and reptiles. They are cold-blooded or poikilotherms. Let's discuss the options. The very first option given is Chelone and Naja. And this is an incorrect option, because Chelone and Naja belongs to the class Reptilia, and they are poikilotherms and not homeotherms. The next option is Actinodites and Macropus. And as this set of animals include homeotherms, so this is a correct answer to our question. Actinodites belongs to the class Aves, it's a bird, and Macropus is a mammal, and both these organisms are homeotherms. The next option is Pteropus and Calots. And as it is an incorrect option, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question, because Pteropus, which is commonly known as flying fox, belongs to the class Mammalia, it's a mammal, but Calots belongs to the class Reptilia, is a poikilotherm. So this is an incorrect option. The next option is Balaenoptera and Chameleon, and this is an incorrect option. Although Balaenoptera is a homeotherm, it belongs to the class Mammalia, but Chameleon is a poikilotherm, it belongs to the class Reptilia. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 159. Human eye contains cone cells which respond to red, green and blue light. When all these cones are stimulated equally, then a sensation of light is produced. Select the option which fills the blank correctly, and the options are black, white, grey and brown. And as it is a direct line from your NCERT book, we know the exact answer to this question is option number 2, white light. When all these cones, red, green and blue light, they are stimulated simultaneously, a sensation of white light is produced. Whereas the other 3 options, black, grey and brown, are the incorrect options. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 160. Which of the following statement in regard to the excretion by human kidneys is correct? The very first statement is vasa recta and loop of Henle of cortical nephrons form countercurrent system. And as it is an incorrect statement, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question, because vasa recta and loop of Henle of juxtaglomerular nephrons and not cortical nephrons form countercurrent system. Cortical nephrons lack vasa recta. The next option is with or without the influence of ADH, maximum reabsorption of water still occurs in proximal convoluted tubules. And as it is a correct statement, so this is a correct answer to our question. Because irrespective of presence or absence of ADH or antidiuretic hormone, maximum reabsorption of water always occurs in PCT or proximal convoluted tubules. The next statement is reabsorption of water occurs in every segment of tubular part of nephron, and as it is an incorrect statement, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question, because reabsorption of water is maximum in proximal convoluted tubule followed by distal convoluted tubule and then loop of Henle. But in Henle's loop also, ascending limb of loop of Henle is impermeable to water. So reabsorption of water does not occur in every segment of tubular part of nephron. The next statement is selective secretion of nutrients like glucose and electrolytes occurs in PCT and collecting duct. And as it is an incorrect statement, this cannot be a correct answer to our question, because selective secretion of electrolytes occurs in DCT and collecting duct, but selective secretion of nutrients does not occur in PCT. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question.